Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll take a simple walkthrough of AWS Budgets. AWS Budgets is a must-known tool for anyone using AWS. So make sure to watch this till the end. First, let's understand what AWS Budget is. Just like how we set budgets in our daily lives to avoid overspending, AWS Budgets help us manage our cloud expenses. It allows us to create budgets for AWS spending, and the best part, it can automatically notify us when our spending crossed the threshold. Now let's quickly jump into the AWS console and see how we can set up a budget step by step. We are now in the AWS console. So I will quickly go to the billing and cost management section. In the billing and cost management section, we can scroll down and we can see the budget tool. We are now in the budget section. I will go to create budget, and create budget we have two setup options. One is user template and another is customize. AWS itself has a standard templates. If you want to use the standard template, we can use the template option. Otherwise, if you want to customize anything, we can use the customized one. For this video, we will go with the template one. And under the template, we have four options. One is zero spend budget, and another one is monthly cost budget, and the third one is daily savings plan coverage budget, and the fourth one is daily reservation utilization budget. I will go with the monthly cost budget. It will ask for a budget name. I will give it as demo monthly cost budget, and it will ask what is the budget amount I want to enter. I will give it as a $3, and there comes the notification part. It will ask our any one email ID so that it can send us automated notification. So since it's a demo, I will just give a dummy email. But when you are going to set up a budget in our AWS account, you can use one of your personal email IDs. If you see here, there will be one alert is showing which tells that we will be notified when our actual spend reaches 85% and it reaches 100%, and when it is expected to reach 100%, which means even though we have put here $3, we will be alerted when our spend is 85% of $3. So before we crosses the $3 itself, it will give us one warning as your actual spend has already reached 85%. So that will be a warning. And the second thing, it will also send us when our threshold is getting crossed, and we will also get an alert if our forecasted spend is expected to reach 100%. So I will create the budget. So the budget is now created, and if you see, the budget thresholds are currently in OK because we just now created the budget, and our actual spend is also less than $3. If you want to see what is the current month spend, we can go to the bills and we can see that the spend for the current month is 0.26, which is very less than 85% of the $3 which we set. So currently the budget is okay. Now we will see how AWS sends us notification when a budget is exceeded the threshold. As you see, I already have two other budgets created under my account. One is a similar monthly cost budget that is for $5. That is also in OK state because it also doesn't exceed the threshold. But when you see the my zero spend budget, it has exceeded the threshold. And if you see my Gmail, this is how we will receive a mail. It will tell us why the mail was triggered. In this case, why the mail was triggered is even though my budgeted amount is 1, I have set up an alert like even if the spend crosses 1% of my budgeted amount, please send me an alert. That's what it is telling here. If you see, alert threshold is 0.01, so that is nothing but 1% of the budgeted amount. So whatever the current actual amount is 0.13, that is my actual spend. So AWS sends a alert for me. So this is what I want to show about AWS budgets. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.